By completing this first task of step 6, we will enjoy several benefits. First, it helps us decide whether the scope of the problem is too broad or too narrow. If so, we should return to step 1 and redefine the scope in a more manageable way. Second, it also helps us decide whether a discipline is truly relevant or whether it's relevant enough. Recall that we made this decision earlier in the IRP, but our decision may need to change once we've worked through step 6 and collected additional information, analyzed, critiqued, evaluated that information. Third, by mapping the complex problem, we can make connections between disciplines and the problem, and we can identify gaps between disciplinary perspectives. And fourth, this task prepares us for step 7 and step 8, identifying conflicts, gaps, and common ground between insights. Step 6 gives us a head start on integration, which is the overarching goal of interdisciplinary studies.